Hey, I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to check up on you, see how you're doing, see how you are doing. Can't talk today. But yeah, I just kind of felt impulsive and just kind of felt like I hadn't checked up on you in a while. So, how are you? You know, how's life? How's life treating you? Hopefully everything's going all right. Hopefully you're happy, healthy, and everything's going the way you want it to. Hopefully the troubles that you do have, whatever they may be, hopefully they're working themselves out, or they're at least on the way. I hope you're healthy and drinking water. If I know you, you're not drinking enough water, because you're probably like me, and you stay dehydrated, living that dehydration life. But yeah, I just wanted to check in on you, and I feel like it's not too often that people do that. And I know sometimes some people do that to me every once in a while. Like very rarely though, but sometimes it happens. But it is a good feeling when somebody goes out of their way to take a few minutes of time to just ask how you're doing. All too often, I'll get phone calls and somebody will just ask, like, "Hey, what are you doing?" And it's always, it's like that saying, like, you know, they're always asking what you're doing, not how you're doing. And I think it's just, there's something different, and it hits different, feels different whenever somebody asks you. Like, somebody asks and sincerely wonders how you're doing. And I want to do that to you. Like, I want to give you that special feeling. Hopefully it feels the same for you as it does for me when somebody asks just how you're doing, and when they sincerely, you know, mean it. Like, hey, I want to know how your day is going, good or bad. Just let me know. If you want to talk, I'm here, and I'm here to listen. Like, I'm here to be the ear. What? that you need, that somebody needs to lend you in your time of need. I don't know where the fuck I'm going with this, but yeah, I just genuinely want to know how you're doing. Tell me about your day. Tell me, you know, if something good happened. Tell me if something bad happened, if you want to, of course. Like, all of this is no pressure involved. You tell me how much or how little you want, and I will be here to listen. Because that's what friends do. That's what friends are for. I'm here to be impartial. I'm here to not judge. I am here to simply listen and give you my honest opinion or advice should you need it. And we can live our lives happily afterwards and eat pizza, which is what I'm about to go do right now. And if you want, you are more than welcome to join, because I will feel less ashamed of myself for eating a large Hawaiian pizza, even though you may or may not like Hawaiian pizza. I still don't know, even though you're my friend. I should know. I'm a horrible friend. I should know what you like and don't like. But anyway, yeah, you're more than welcome to join me to eat a pizza so I don't feel so ashamed of myself. Because that's what friends do. We lift each other up. We support each other. We support each other eating pizzas. But, yeah, like I was saying, whatever you need from me, if you need me to listen, if you need my advice on something, I will always give you my honest opinion. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm here to keep things real. You know, I'm not going to sit here and blow sunshine up your booty hole, because sometimes that's what you need. Sometimes you need somebody to be real with you. Sometimes you need that sort of reality check. And I get that sometimes people don't want to vent to other friends and family because they feel like they're not going to get a genuine response. And when you tell somebody that who's impartial, who doesn't know anything about your situation, they can't judge, they give you their own honest opinion, But whenever you tell somebody like myself, who's a friend, you may not want to because you feel like, hey, you know, you're only going to tell me what I want to hear, not what I really need to hear. And sometimes what you need, my friend, is a reality check. Sometimes you need to be told, hey, you're fucking off. Like, you need to quit that shit. Sometimes you can be a real asshole and you need to quit. And that's what friends are for. You're supposed to support each other and you're supposed to back each other up. But I'm not going to back you up if you're a butthole. I'm just saying, I'm here to keep things real with you. I'm going to give you my own honest opinion. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, but I'm also here to listen to what you got going on. So, just, if you need me, I'm going to be here. And I just wanted to call and make sure you're okay. Make sure you're healthy, not hungry, not thirsty. And yeah, overall just generally happy. It's like a happiness vibe check. So yeah, I'll be here. Let me know if you need me. And like I said, if you want, more than welcome to join me with pizza. Okay, bye!